Hello there, folks. This is DJ Burgstarre here, coming to you with another tip of the day. And today we will be talking about default track settings. Now, when you launch Ableton, you are presented with this blank project. Let's say I wanted to start working with my first MIDI track. Now, I typically put on my MIDI tracks, an arpeggiator, some pitch control, the scale function so I'm in the right key, and a couple audio effects as well. I'm always using a compressor, and I'm going to be using an EQ. So at a minimum, I would like these items to be in a default MIDI track. What I'm going to do for now is turn them all off because I'm not sure how or why I'll be using these just yet. But I'll most likely be using a lot of these typically. So what I can do is save this now as my default MIDI track. So what you do is you right click on your track after you've put your stuff in, and then you can say save as default MIDI track. Sure, go ahead and overwrite the old one. Now, when I go up and create a new MIDI track, you'll notice all of my items are in here waiting for me to use. And the same thing can be done with audio tracks. So on an audio track, I typically have a compressor on there and an EQ as well at a minimum. Now audio can get complicated, and I'm sure I'll be adding more things as I go. But at a minimum, I want these two items in here when I'm creating a new audio track. And so again, I can turn them off for now because I'm not sure how or why I'll be using them, but I'll be using them. And then again, I can come up here and say save as default audio track. Overwrite the old one. And now, when I create a new audio track, there they are, my items waiting for me to use. And so this can speed up workflow and make things easier for you. When you start adding a lot of MIDI and audio tracks as you're working on this project, every time you load one up, it'll have your favorite items in there waiting for you to use. And this is a great tip and can help with your workflow. And so thank you for listening, and I will see you guys next time. DJ Burgstarre out.